123 Ultra. How you doing, everyone? It's been a while. Today we are doing Subway Surfer because I'm awesome at Subway Surfers. But I guess you'll just have to find out how good I really am. And depending on how far I get will be hopefully how many likes we get on this video. Alright, let's start. Yeah, I love this. Alright. Yep, Maxfire 123 Ultra. That's me. Alright, there's Paul Blart. Jetpack, y'all. We are off to a great start. Now, I have a tactic with Subway Surfers. I really do have a tactic. It's called, like, when you get really far, just use your hoverboard, because you can never die with your hoverboard, really. I mean, unless Paul Blart gets you, but other than that, you can't really die, because, I'm gonna regret this. Watch this. Look, I ran into a train, I didn't die. Pretty OP right there. So, yeah. I have been up to some, I guess, stuffs. Haven't really been up to a lot lately, just thinking about making another video. No, normal stuff. Actually, why are we, like, running on top of trains? Like, oh. No, I want more likes than that. Remember, in the beginning of the video, I said how far distance I get is how many likes you're supposed to give me. Maybe even subscribers. But I highly doubt that we're getting 10,000 from, one video. But if we do, that's great too. I have the start. Oh, I did not expect that. Alright, Jetpack, save me. I'm pretty good at Subway Surfers. If I die twice, then I'll be surprised. Especially with this thing. Hey, Paul Blart, and hey, I didn't know Paul Blart got a dog. Yeah. Interesting. Apparently Paul Blart likes dogs. Who knew? Apparently Subway Surfers. Oh yeah, get that coin action. So if you're new to Subway Surfers, I don't even know what to say. Subway Surfers has been out for a while. Look at how far I've gotten so far. I'm a pro at Subway Surfers, I will admit. Yeah, I'm pretty good at it, I guess. I mean, I'm not a pro at it, but pretty darn good. Oh, if I do say so myself. Oh. Yeah. Alright, that's the end of the video, I think. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Well, thanks guys for joining me in this lovely video. Yeah. Well, hit that notification bell till it dies. Oh, hi. And good